Welcome to the Crypto Sphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. It is now Thursday, January 14th, and we are waiting. We are waiting to see what's getting ready to happen next. We are waiting and we are looking at the indicators. Some of the stuff that I thought was going to happen by now has not happened by now. As you know, if you watched my video from a couple days ago, I pointed out that XRP had broken out bullish here, and it was looking like it was heading up here 150%. XRP was poised, showing bullish divergence here, and it was poised to take off. And I honestly expected that we'd be at 60 cents by now. Why are we not there? I don't know. Perhaps I was just dead wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I say is my opinion, and my opinions are sometimes just wrong. Another option is it could be the Grayscale announcement that they dropped XRP from their portfolio. It seems like every time XRP is poised to take off, there's some kind of news that tanks it. I mean, actually, if you look at this big red bearish candle right here and look at the volume, bam, that was December 22nd. And what happened there? SEC charges Ripple and two executives with conducting $1.3 billion in unregistered securities offering. And so that, basically tanked the value of XRP right at a place where it was about to take off. I mean, it was, it was doing this thing and it was going to take off. It was going to go higher and we were all going to be wealthy overnight. Welcome to the wild, wild west that they call the crypto market. I tell you, investing in crypto requires patience. It requires patience. And this is where we're at right now, consolidating, volume going down, going down. You look at the BTC chart and the volume is going down, going down. We've popped up against this and now we're in a new support and resistance area, but the volume is going down. XRP BTC, the volume is so low. Look at that. And so we don't know where we're going next until we see some volume. However, there's some positive signs. We're still, in terms of the RSI, we're still following this line in the bullish area. The MACDs are still bullish here. And it's still above this trend line, which we said was the bullish channel that it needed to stay in. So even though Greylock announced that they are dropping, they have already liquidated XRP from their holdings, we're still above that line. We're still consolidating now. We just need some volume, and I'm hoping that when the volume comes, we're going to take off to the next level. I'm looking at Litecoin here. Litecoin broke out bullish above this channel, and now it's hitting this resistance line of $157.44. Hopefully, this will be support for Litecoin, and it will bounce off the support and try to break through that resistance line. If that does happen, I believe we're going to see Litecoin pop, and this LTC BTC chart, we're going to see it some real encouraging things happen there. Going into the 4-hour with this LTC BTC chart, we can see that we're in this box here between this support and this resistance level, and we need to break out bullish out of there to get some traction. And all that needs to happen is Litecoin USD needs to break bullish and break bullish faster than BTC breaks bullish. So BTC still can have a run up. It still can break out bullish here and push for a new all-time high. But as long as Litecoin starts to, at some point, move faster than BTC does, and I believe it will, at some point, BTC is going to go into its real correction, and then all these other coins are going to take off, and XRP and Litecoin are going to be two of the first ones to take off in terms of percentages. They're going to overwhelm BTC, and these two charts, XRP, BTC, and LTC, BTC, are going to make us a lot of money when that happens. Now, I believe all of this is coordinated. This is kind of my, conspiracy theory side, whatever you want to call it. I believe all this was coordinated. If you look at this announcement of the SEC on December 22nd, it was exactly 10 days after the FLR snapshot happened. It was almost like XRP knew, Ripple knew that the SEC lawsuit was coming and it was going to tank our value. And it's like they reimbursed us with Spark tokens 10 days early. That's kind of the way I think about it. And if you look at this on BitTrue, the FLR token is trading for 17.8 cents today, which is crazy when you think that we're getting, however many XRP you had, you're going to get that many free Spark tokens in the first half of this year. Now, here's what's crazy. Of course, the FLR network has announced that they're going to do a Litecoin airdrop sometime Q2 of 2021. There's going to be a Litecoin airdrop. I don't know how many Flare tokens per Litecoin you're holding, but they're going to do an airdrop of free. So you're going to get a second chance. If you miss the first airdrop, you're going to have a second chance of getting free Flare tokens simply for holding Litecoin. And if the Flare network actually is what they say it is, Ethereum 2.0, this token has a lot of value in it. I don't want to speculate, but it could be a lot of value. We could look back and say we were more than reimbursed with all the Flare tokens that we got. We were more than reimbursed for all of the stuff that happened with XRP. Okay, so going back here to this XRP BTC chart, has it done what I thought it would do? No, not yet. I thought it would do this a lot sooner. However, no one knows the day nor the hour. I mean, that's just the game. The crypto market is volatile, and there's a lot of waiting. And if you're an investor, you got to wait a long time. If you're a trader, you got to wait a short time. However, it's a lot more intense waiting than it is if you're an investor. If you're an investor, you just put your money in and forget about it. But if you're a trader, you enter a trade and you're waiting for something to happen tonight. But I want to say, do not lose your mind in this crypto market. Do not lose your mind. I mean, if you're losing sleep, you're probably not positioned right. If you lose, nothing should cause you to lose sleep. This can destroy the quality of your life. It can degrade the quality of your relationships. It can mess up your work so that you can't be productive because you're constantly checking the charts and you're constantly worried about this thing. You'll be, inattentive to your wife and to your children, and you don't want that to happen. So one of the ways that you protect yourself from that is you diversify your portfolio so that you're not only holding XRP. And you make sure you've only invested what you can afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, you can't afford to invest it, okay? So listen, I still believe that XRP is going to take off. It's just we don't know the time, and that's the moment we're at in the market. We simply have to wait and watch and see what happens. I'm believing for the best. I hope you are too. And listen, I want to thank each and every one of you who have watched my videos, liked my videos, subscribed to my channel, and even some of you who have signed up for my Patreon. I'm really, really thankful for you. I can't believe this channel is only about 2 weeks old, and already I've gotten more than 1,000 subscribers, and my last video got more than 10,000 watches and more than 250 likes. And all the comments I'm getting, all the positive comments and all the love and the support, really, really appreciate you all very, very much. And if you haven't had an opportunity to do so, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. And also click that little bell so that you get alerted when I put a new video out. I really want to produce content that empowers and encourages you, that strengthens you so that you don't lose your mind in this market. That's really what I want to do. I don't want you to lose your mind in this market, and that's why I make these videos. That's all I got for tonight. It's a waiting game, but we're believing for the best. Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is my opinion, and I could be completely wrong. So do your own research, make decisions for yourself based upon that research. And once again, thank you all. Many blessings and much love to each and every one of you. This is Cryptogenic signing out.